Say nice to meet you, Grandpa.
You're not gonna say hi?
Go potty. You can go potty. Big girl. Big girl.
See it. You need my salad. Golly. Hi, kitty. Kitty, eat it.
Max, it's too cold. Oh, you think getting in your carriage is gonna help? You're trying to swat the phone out of my hand, you silly boy. Huh?
Get closer,
You goofball.
Y'all see that? Big T give you a kiss.
That's where this came from. Wow, that is like mint.
There's just no easy answers.
Are you ready to have a treat? Are you ready to have a treat? Ooh, this is a good treat.
Man, can you print the numbers a little bit smaller?
You know, we can hear you on the video, you know.
What video?
Of the kitties. Now run back up. Now turn around and run. See if she'll follow you.
Oh! It's out!
Did she get it? Yeah. She got it!
Oh, it's out!
I'm getting tackled by a Washington politician.
And 3-star
I'm the boss here. Go to work, Daddy, so you can pay the mortgage. This is my bed.
Come on, you gotta roll. Do you want a treat? You want a treat? Come on, you gotta roll. All the way around. Good girl.
There you are.
Yeah, no.
You're in the way. I'm so little in the way. It's just Barbie
We
house.
have.
see your puppy. Binks, you're so mean to the puppy.
Can we take a selfie? Smile. Ah!
Kitty's in the playpen. Oh, they say, please let us out. We want to come out. Please.
What do you say, Wookie? Do you want some ice? Oh.
It is. She's getting it. You got her about clean.
I'm taking it home with me.
She's just rolling it, is what she's doing. That's funny.
Own food. Yourself. You can feed yourself.
Unpacked since then, but yeah, they came out really good.
You can feed yourself. You want mommy to feed you?
Do you have a picture of that side of it?
Come here, Zach. Come on. Oh.
You're so upset. I know. You're so upset because the boys were fighting, huh?
In the United States, it sounds like a person who wants to sell you something, while in England, it's a lawyer. Christopher?
What is a solicitor?
That's the word.
Brits speak for 1,000.
Braces is the British term for these fashion accessories.
Oh, so you got it for 2 seconds.